Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to unbox and review another mechanical keyboard named Royal Clutch. Let me show you the keyboard. Here is the RK Royal Clutch mechanical keyboard. In this video I am going to unbox this Royal Clutch keyboard and show you all the features of this keyboard. In my previous video I already show you another mechanical keyboard named Motospeed CK108 and I also compared that keyboard with my regular keyboard CK888. But in this video I am going to unbox this RK Royal Clutch mechanical keyboard and show you all the features of this keyboard. I got this keyboard from banggood.com. If you want to buy that keyboard or another mechanical keyboard what I review in my channel, you'll find all that keyboard link in my description below, and also you can see all the review video in my description below. So without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. So guys, the RK Royal Clutch mechanical keyboard comes in this kind of box. This keyboard comes in $50 US from banggood.com. Now let's quickly unbox the keyboard. First of all, you will get an sticker and a user manual into the box. In the user manual, you will get all the detailed information to control this keyboard RGB light and functions. Now here comes our RK919 mechanical keyboard. Protect with some foam material. One of the best thing about this keyboard, it comes with a compact wrist pad. This pad is made with ABS plastic, but it quite interesting for mechanical keyboard comes with compact pad in this kind of price. Also you can detach this pad from the keyboard by unscrew this screw. But I think you will not want to detach this, because it feels good using a mechanical keyboard with this kind of wrist pad. If I talk about the build quality of this keyboard, then the font of this keyboard has aluminum with matte finish, and it will not capture your fingerprint on the body and the switch. I found this keyboard quite heavier than my other mechanical keyboard like Motospeed CK104 and CK888. It has RGB feature with backlit and side lamp. Its standard design gives it a premium look. It comes with USB 2.0 with good quality long cable and neck protector. Also it supports NKRO and driver settings. You'll find the driver link and the software link in the description below. Backside of this keyboard you'll get two legs with foam attached which gonna hold your keyboard tight on your table. It feels good using the keyboard with the legs, and it keep up your keyboard so that you can adjust the legs. Now let's connect the keyboard with our computer for the first time. It will glow up the light with the default RGB lighting effect. Default lighting effects are also very cool, but you can change the effect in different mode. I will show you all the effect control in the end of this video, so watch this video till the end. Also the side lamp look good in default mode, and also you can change it too. RK919 comes in full 108 key layout and it has brown switches. If you use the blue switches mechanical keyboard, then you will get the differences between the blue switches and brown switches. In my previous video I make a sound test of blue switches. Now let me give you a quick sound test of these brown switches. Also in the top of this keyboard keys, you will get custom shortcut mode what make it pretty handy to use your computer, like opening Windows Explorer, Home, Mail and Music shortcut. To the right side, you will get a speaker volume control key. Using this key, you can control the sound while gaming. Now let me show you the different lighting effect. First, press the function key and hold the escape key for 3 seconds to reset your keyboard to the default lighting mode. Then press the function plus insert key to change the light effect. Here you will get couple of static lighting effects like rainbow effect, explosion effect, single line explosion effect and also many more. Also you can change the lighting glowing power using the function plus home button and function plus arrow keys. Left arrow key used for increase the light and right arrow key decrease the light. One of my favorite effect is expression mode. You can also add your custom lighting effect using the function and home key. And to change the side lamp RGB effect, you can use the function and page up key. For details, you have to check the manual. So guys, in my opinion, this keyboard is good enough in this price of $50. If you want to buy this keyboard, check the link in description below for best buy link. And also you can watch my other mechanical keyboard review videos on my channel. You'll find a playlist link about the mechanical keyboard review on the description below. So guys, that's all for today. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I'm signing out. Thanks for your watching.